everybody, and welcome to our resort studio room here at the Grand Floridian in Orlando, Florida. We are in room 9415 in the Big Pine building. This is the entryway here. As you enter, on the left-hand side is our bathroom. So we have a nice double vanity here. I love this tile flooring. I love the artwork. There's a shower tub combo here in the bathroom with some H2O amenities there. And this door is a pocket door or a sliding door, so it does give you some privacy. Somebody can be showering while others are getting ready in the morning. There's so much pretty little detail here with a shout out to Mary Poppins. Of course, we have our H2O amenities. The bathroom's fully outfitted with everything H2O. And then as you enter on the right-hand side is our closet. So we have a double closet here, full length mirror. We have some robes for usage. We're in a DVC room, so we actually also have a broom and dustpan as well. We have the laundry services, tons of hangers, an extra pillow and blanket up there at the top. Nice well-lit closet too. That's one thing about this room. The lighting in here is fantastic. Alrighty, on to the second closet is shelving. So definitely ample shelving, especially for a family of 5. We'll be here 4 nights, but if we were here even for a week, we'd have enough space. This is a nice large safe, definitely big enough for a laptop as well as all of your other belongings. And there's a steamer in here as well as a hair dryer. That's where you can find it. And then over here we have our little mini kitchenette. So again, this is a resort studio. We do not have the sink area. So that's the difference between a regular studio room and the resort studio room, is we are missing the sink area. But check out this cute detail here. Everything is so nicely done, and they recently did add the microwaves because initially the resort studios did not have microwaves. So we have a Keurig, we have some glasses, K-cups down here fully stocked. Oh, they swapped these out because just a few months ago these were the 50th. So now we're just back to Walt Disney World, and it comes fully stocked too, and they'll stock it every day if we need additional. So tons of spoons and forks and straws and cups and everything in there. And then we have a fridge down below. So again, not big enough to store a gallon of milk in that fridge, but I think we can probably fit 2 half gallons. All right, and then into the room area. My God, guys, this is so gorgeous. I don't even know if you'll get the full picture on the video, but every single detail in here is just so elegant. It's very nicely done when they redid the reno in here. I love the headboards. There's some reading lights in all of the beds, and then there are no end tables, but they do have these little shelves here, and then they have the charging plugs down below. So they have a USB port as well as a USB-C, and then 2 outlet plugs on the side of each bed. And then just so pretty. Everything up to the light fixtures. Up here you can see these little birds. And just tons of crown molding. So many nice little details in this room. It's very nicely done. We have 4 additional drawers here. So again, a good amount of space for a family. We have the welcome TV note. And then a little vanity stool. So nice spot to get ready in the morning for the moms. 2 additional drawers over here. So again, decent amount of storage, but just check out how pretty and like elegant everything is. And then our room happens to have a little bit of a bump out in here. If you see this, it's different than most other resort studios. So I'm not sure if we were pixie dusted, if we just got really lucky, but typically the resort studios don't have this little bump out area or extra TV. So I think the boys are gonna love this room. They won't have to share a bed because we have a pack and play for Paxton. This couch over here turns into a single bed. And then this room right here, this bed right here is a double. So this room can sleep 2, 4, 5 adults. And if you have a little one under the age of 3 actually, you can actually fit 6 people in this room. And it wouldn't really be all that tight. There's so much space in here. Like, this is a fantastic spot for the pack and play. I feel like the size of that area is perfect for his pack and play. Or if we wanted, we could do like a little bit of arranging with the furniture, put his pack and play over there and move the chair into that corner. But there's just so many options. And again, just with the super cute, classy decor. I'm loving this color palette that they chose too. So we have like some bay windows out here, and we have a fantastic view of the pool, which I'll show you in a minute. So I'm not going to flip this bed right now. I've done it in the past in videos, but again, you just pull the strap, it pulls down and turns into a single. And then out here is our balcony. So we have a straight shot view over to the Contemporary, which we can probably see the fireworks right over these buildings, just a little bit. And then here is our view of the pool. The kids are down there swimming right now with Paul. Oh, I can see them. Right there. Right there. So there they are being cute, enjoying Disney World. So we are super happy with our room. We're so happy to be here at the Grand Floridian. This resort to us is just like the epitome of Disney. So if you are interested in staying here at the Grand Floridian, or if you're interested in staying anywhere on Disney property, please reach out to us at Paul and Ashley Magic Vacation Planners on Facebook, and give this video a like. And thanks, guys. Thanks for watching, and safe travels.